What's happening, good people? It's your boy Big Vic. Welcome back to Beards, Tech, and Tacos. So, really quickly, I do not want to keep you long, and I don't want to bore you, but I want to talk about Guidebar beard shaping tool and what happened to that company and why is it no longer around, in my opinion. I don't know for sure. Actually, I reached out to the owner on their webpage and didn't get a response. So, we're just going to go with what I presume happened to this company. But before that, I want you guys to note I did buy the blue, matte black, gold, and rose gold beard shaper tools. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them. I already have the silver one, the original steel one, should I say. I don't know if I'm just keep them just to have them, or I might even do a giveaway. We'll see how well this video does, and yeah, we'll see where it goes with that. One of you guys might get, or for you guys and gals, pretty sure you got a guy that needs a beard shaping tool. You get one of these, and that'll be a super dope thing to do. But we'll see what happens with this video and how it goes. So let's jump right into it, because I don't want this video to be no longer than like 3.5 minutes. As far as I know, the company was doing well, and the reason why I say as far as I know is because the largest views on any video I have is the Guidebar beard shaping tool, the original one. That video has done 21,000 views. In fact, that video reached on my channel 19,000 views in 1 month. Okay, and then of course it slowed up drastically after that. I'm sorry, 10,000 views in 1 month. I have to rethink that. And it slowed up after that, and it's right now currently around 21,000 views total. That is the most views I've gotten on any video on my channel. So that tells me there are a lot of men interested in this beard shaping tool in this company. And of course, this was last year, and since then they've come out with different colors. They've had the matte black was the first new one to come out with. No, the gold one was the first one. Then it was the matte black. Then they did rose gold, and they did blue. And my impression was they were doing well. Like they were kicking butt. They had the clientele to sustain themselves. They came out with a safety razor set and other things, other beard accessories. I'm thinking they're doing well. They're competing at a high level, and they're going to be around for some time. But recently, within the last, I want to say last month and a half, this is what, July? In June, they shut it down. Like, it was it. They had a sale on their website, which I was so pissed at myself. They had a sale on the website, and they sold everything for $5 each. All the beard shaping tools were like $5 each. And yes, we're finna go over 3.5 minutes. I know, but I didn't know what happened. I reached out to Guidebar to see what was going on. Never got a response, which I can understand. You don't want to talk about why your business is failing, especially if it's something you did. I don't know if it was the knockoffs, because there are plenty of knockoffs. Almost every beard shaping tool has a knockoff except for the beardninja, the touchbodyworks, and the aberliteflexshaper beard shaping tool. Like every other tool out there has a knockoff or a competing design. Like there must be a company that sells similar designs. Like they may change one thing just enough to where it's not the exact same tool, and then put your stamp on it, and then there it goes. But I thought Guidebar had a proprietary design, and evidently they didn't, because I had to have a video. I will link that video in the description, or I'll probably do it in the description, a card, and I'll make sure it's at the end of this video. But I was like, wait, you guys are shutting down? I don't think they were around for more than a year. They boom, hit the scene, hit it fast, and I guess it's true to say, the faster you blow up, the faster you come down. The quicker you can get up in there, and the faster you can come down. So, I don't know. I don't know if it was the knockoffs. I don't know if it was customer service, because I only had bought one product from them just because I wanted to show you guys what was going on in my use of that product at the time. But something drastic happened, and they shut their doors, or should I say they went offline, and they are no longer around. There's a company that sells the beard shaping tools. I think they bought out their supply, their stock, and they sell it Of course, smart, on Amazon for $11 each. Buy for $5, sell it for $11. Hey, that's smart. I wish I would have did the same thing, but who knows what happened? That's my speculation. That's my opinion. I'm not sure. Of course, only the owners or the people who work there knows what's going on. I don't know. But be sure to leave your comments and your opinions on what happened or what you presume happened to Guy Bar. Or if you know what happened, leave it in the comments. I want to know. I thought that company had promise, but they're gone now. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for all your love and support. Shout out to the new subscribers. Continue to share this video so we can have more subscribers. The more subscribers we get, the bigger the channel gets, the more I can do. I can start doing giveaways. There are a lot of companies with great beard products out there that are looking attractive, and not just products for the beard, but for men's health and upkeep that have been they caught my eye, and I really want to put it on this channel. But of course, that takes time and money. So like, share, comment, subscribe, guys.